and welcome back to Robinhood Coins. This is TJ and my little helper, and we're going to be hunting a box of nickels today, plus 5 rolls of customer wrap rolls that we picked up in Little Rock, Arkansas a couple of months ago. I think it was back in June when we went down there. The little helper picked this box out of the boxes that we have stashed because it had a bunch of old looking coins in there. You think we're going to find some silver, little helper?
Yeah.
And maybe a buffalo?
Yes.
That would be great. As always, we'll be looking for silver, buffaloes, maybe a V-nickel. That would be cool. And we'll give away something we find in the hunt. In order to enter, all you have to do is comment on this video and then be sure to watch our next video where we'll pick the winner. So with that, little helper, do you want to jump into these rolls?
Yeah.
Let's get started. All right, so we have the 5 rolls of Arkansas customer wrapped rolls right here. The little helper is gonna go ahead and crack into those. And if there's anything good, we will keep the footage. Otherwise, we'll fast forward to the bank wrapped rolls. The little helper found our first from the 50s.
1959, so.
There you go, it's our first find. What, is it a Denver? What mint mark is it?
It's a Denver.
All right. We'll bring you back in if we find something else.
We are on the second roll, and I found a 1940.
Yeah, it's the oldest of the box so far. Let's see if it has a mint mark.
Nope.
No mint mark, so it is a Philadelphia 1940. And let's keep going. So we are done going through those customer wrapped rolls, and Mama Hood found a 2009 Denver. First 2009 of the box. We had that 1959 and the 1940 that the little helper found. And now we're going to get into the bank wrapped rolls. Now, little helper, which ones do you want to get? So she's going to start off with that roll and that roll. And me and Mama Hood are going to do the others. We'll bring you back in on the next good find. So we are working on our first rolls.
And I found this 1941 in my first roll.
Well, your first bank wrapped roll. Is it a Philly or a Denver?
Philly.
All right. Well, you got a 40 and a 41. Let's keep going.
All right, we are on roll 9, and I have my first find. It is a 1981 S Mint. I'm pretty sure it's a proof with that.
Yep. That looks like a proof. You have that mirror finish and the frosting on the design. That is very cool. I'm almost positive we don't have an 81 proof yet. That is very cool. Good job, honey.
Thanks.
Little helper here is working on roll number 10.
And I have a 1959.
Yes, it is. Let's see if it's a Denver or Philadelphia.
Denver.
All right. And a couple rolls ago, I didn't record it, but Mama Hood found a 1952 Philadelphia as well. I'm working on roll 14, and I found our first foreign of the box. It is a 1987 Canadian right there. Love that one with the beaver on it, huh? Don't you like that one? That is really cool. So we have our first Canadian. And while Maid Marian was going through some rolls, she found a 1940 Philadelphia all chewed up. Looks like it got in a fight with a bear. Look at that. And then we had a 1959. I didn't record it when she found it because that's our third 59.
All right, roll 17, and I have a huge find. We have a 1943.
That is good stuff.
Silver.
It is silver. Let's see what mint mark.
And
Philadelphia.
Philadelphia.
That is great. Good job. I'm on roll 18, and I have our first 1957 of the box.
Ooh.
And it's from Denver. Right after I was turning off the camera, Maid Marian found this 1940 from Denver. Oh wait, no, that's a San Francisco.
Oh my gosh, good job.
That looks like a San Francisco mint mark. Let's see if we can zoom in. Yep, there we go. That is good stuff. I'm working on that same roll, and I found a 1964 in better condition than I normally find it. Probably set that aside, see if it goes in my tube of nice 60s. And then my little helper found this 1954.
Denver.
Is that Denver or Philadelphia?
Denver.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah, it's Philadelphia.
1954 Philadelphia. Working on roll number 28, and we have a 1956, and I cannot tell if there is a mint mark under there. We will have to take a look under the scope.
I'm on roll 32, and I found a 1941.
Is it what mint mark?
Philadelphia.
There you go. Good job, little helper.
Thanks.
I'm working on roll 42, and I found a buffalo right there. The little helper is going to grab it and show us what it is. Raise it up so everyone can see.
It's a 1926. We can see the date.
1926. We even have a dated buffalo. Flip it over and look for the mint mark. It's at the bottom by where it says 5 cents. Raise it up so everyone can see.
Philadelphia.
It looks like it is a Philadelphia 1926. It is not very often that we find buffaloes. That is great.
I wish I can find it a buffalo.
Well, you got 8 more rolls. Keep trying. My little helper was working on roll 43, and she found this 1946 Philadelphia. Add another one to the 40s for us. That's ironic. Mama Hood and I were working on roll 49 and 50, and we both found a 1957. Here's the one that she found from Denver. And then here is the one in my roll that I was about to record anyway, right there. And it is also a Denver mint mark. I've got several of these that have like some green corrosion on it. Several in the 50s with that in this box. So we are all done going through the rolls, and there are the discards. Now it's time for the second hunt, which is looking for some errors and varieties. We set aside one really nice 1964 to look for the DDO. We have the 2004 Philadelphia Peace Nickel, and the Peace Treaty. We'll be looking for the DDO on that, and then we'll be looking for the Speared Bison on the 2005. Well, unfortunately, we did not find any errors and varieties out of those, but here's the overall wrap-up, and this was a pretty good box. We had probably the best finds were the 1926, and that was a Philadelphia. We had that Buffalo Nickel. That is very cool. We do not find the Buffalo Nickels very often, so pretty excited about that. We did find silver, actually, Mama Hood did, 1943 Philadelphia. It's got a little tape on it. But you know what? It's still silver in the rolls for face value. And then my birth year, and actually Mama Hood's birth year, 1981 San Francisco proof. That was pretty cool to find. Got to love it. I think it's only like the second or third proof that we found in rolls. Besides the silver nickel, we had 6 other from the 40s. Nothing really rare there. And then we had a total of 11 from the 50s. We did have a 1 foreign, which was a 5 cent 1987 from Canada. So that was pretty cool. And then we got 4 more 2009s to add to the collection. All Denver. We don't find Philadelphia very often, but good to find 4 of those. So overall, it was pretty exciting. It was a pretty good hunt. Found a bunch of good things, and it was fun to hang out with the family. So the Robinhood Coins giveaway for today's video is going to be the 1943 silver nickel that we found, as well as a 2009 Denver that we found. As always, to enter the giveaway, just comment on this video, and then be sure to watch our next video, not our next live stream, but our next video that we post. We'll pick the winner for today's giveaway. And then here in a couple of seconds, we'll pick the winner for our last video's giveaway, which was the penny hunt posted last Thursday. Alright, so it is time to pick the winner for last video, which is our penny hunt video posted last Thursday. And we had a total of 155 unique commenters. And this is for the Warman's Lincoln Cent folder. Let's see who's going to win that. Addicted to Stacks. Love the penny hunts. Well, thank you very much for watching Addicted to Stacks. We really appreciate it. And you win the Warman's Lincoln Cent folder. We put a couple wheat cents in that we found during that hunt. Email me at robinhoodcoins@yahoo.com to claim your prize. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed the hunt. It was a lot of fun. It was fun hanging out with the family and finding some cool finds. If you did, smash that like button. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss any giveaways or videos. And we will see you on the next hunt.